Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator water filter cover. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water filter cover. The water filter cover locks the water filter into the base. The minute you should be changing it out if it's damaged and the water filter is hanging down. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the right refrigerator door. Now that we have the door open, we can reach in and release the water filter cover. All you have to do is press on the lever and let it drop down. Then we're going to go to the back of the cover, and there's a couple mounting pins right here. We're just going to flex it so it comes off the pins. Once you have one side off, you can drop it down and slide it over the other way so it comes off the other pin. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old water filter cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water filter cover on, we're going to hook the right pin on first, push the cover over, and flex it up over the other pin. Once you have it in place, you can close the water filter cover and lock it in. Once you have it locked, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.